Hey everyone, welcome back on Gadget Features. Today we have an interesting article that is Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra Touch Screen is not working, and we have written an article. The article has been finished and we have published in our website. But before going to the website, I suggest to check the video and see if you can solve the problem just by watching the video instead of reading the whole article. Okay, so here in progressive way, as I can see, there are multiple options right now in here. So as you know, the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra adores a 6.8-inch dynamic LTPO AMOLED 2x display with a resolution of 1440 into 3120 pixels of resolutions. On the setting display, go to the navigational bar and block gesture with the S Pen and swipe gesture selections. We have an options there. You can go there and fix it. If the phone is still not working, the touch is not working, just forget about the wipe catch partition. Just skip that part. You don't have to do with that. Okay. And the unlocking part, if the unlock is not working, you definitely have forgotten the password. You have to recover the password anyhow to unlock the screen so that you can go and check what else you have to do with the phone. So if your phone is on and the screen is not working, try to go with the safe mode and all and try to see navigational bar. Okay,